welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a gel polish florally Valentine's-y set, I suppose, using Madam Glam gel polishes. So I've got Dusty Pastel Green. Oh, I did post a couple of nails on social media, and this is just I'm going to show you how I done them basically. Now, I didn't use Dusty Pastel Green. I think I used Early Bird on the other set, but I'm going to use Dusty Pastel Green on this one. And Baby Nest. This is the actual pink that I did use in the other video, the nails that I did. So yeah, this is a beautiful, vibrant, almost neon-y pink. Very, very nice. Very nice. If you want to get 30% off any Madam Glam gel polishes, you can do so using my code NATMUG30. They do ship worldwide, and you do not have to be a professional to purchase these. They are vegan. They're like 9-free. They've even, I believe they even now like certified vegan or something. I can't remember, but they are, yeah, they're amazing. I love them. This is perfect white. One of the nails is going to be wait. I don't know why I say that. Right, I'm going to pop those in the lamp to cure, then I'm going to give them a second coat. I'm not sure what I'm going to do on that last nail as of right now. Well, I do know because I have finished the set, but when I was doing the nails at this point, I did not know what I was going to do. So I'm just going to finish giving them a second coat, then I'm going to cure them in the lamp. I've put a little bit of each of the colours on my palette. This is what the nail looked like. So we're going to do... These roses are so easy. You just need a dotting tool like this. Just so easy. So I'm going to go dip my dotting tool into the Baby Nest pink, this one. And then all you kind of need to do is... Where am I? Here? Where is she gone? Here we are. Right, you just kind of dab the gel polish on. Don't push down too hard. Just sort of float it over. If you push down too hard, you end up removing some of the gel polish, the pink gel polish. I'm just going to clean off the end of my dotting tool because when I go in with the white, I want it to be white. I don't want it to be contaminated with the pink just yet. So I'm just going to clean that off. Then I'm going to dip it into perfect white. Then into the centre of the uncured pink, we're going to dip that and we're going to swirl round. Now, I did swirl around a little bit too much. I could have left it there. I do go in with a little bit more. I'm such a faffer. Sometimes I think, look, I did faff way too much on this one. And I was like, right, stop there. And yeah, bit too much, Nats, bit too much. So we'll do another one. I'll show you another one. So again, you only need to float the product over. Floaty, floaty, floaty. I kind of like dab it on. They don't have to be perfect circles either because roses aren't, they're not like perfectly round. And then just sort of swirl the gel polish in like that. I mean, it's so easy, but I just think they are the most cutest little roses or flowers that you can make. I love them. For the leaves, I'm going to use Rosy Boy. I'm going to use Lonely Boy. And you can see I've just added some more roses. These ones are small. No, there's fewer on this nail than the original nail. But I'm going to use that Lonely Boy gel polish. It's a dark green, just to place some little tiny leaves on, just to give it a little bit of extra detail. You can add as many leaves or as few leaves as you like. I normally do between sort of 2 and 4 leaves per rose. And I kind of make sure that I've got them all going in sort of like different directions. Yeah. Oh, my auntie's just sent me a video. I'll have to look at that in a minute. So I'm gonna do some more on here. You don't even have to add these. I just think it's an extra detail that makes it just look really nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that and pop it in the lamp for a cure. Then, yeah, see, look, that was the first one, and then this is the second one. I do add the white dots in. Just not yet. I don't know why I didn't do them then. I'm not going to cure it yet either, so don't panic. Right, to create that really fine, straight white line, I'm using the Neo Nail spider gel. It's actually the only spider gel I have, I think. So you just start at the bottom and then put the line where you want it. and then I work the product backwards, and look how perfectly straight that line is. You can get some oh, ignore me. Yeah, you can do that with what do you call it, with like a gel paint or something. You could do it with gel polish. I just don't think the line would be as fine with gel polish. And then I was using the dotting tool to create some hearts, but I actually decided that I would get it neater using my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 3 hearts going through the lines are going to go through the center of the hearts. So I'm going to add 2 more, and I'm trying to make them the same size. Sometimes I'm terrible at making things different sizes when I want them the same size. There we go. And I'm going to fill the other one in. Well, the other side, should I say. And then I'll do one more just down here. Try and make sure that they're equally spaced as well. You want it to be all nice and symmetrical. I think that's the right word. Even though the line is slightly off center. I kind of like that the line is off center. If you want to, you could have the line going straight down the center. You could have it going slightly off to the left, but I've got mine slightly off to the right. Then look, I'm just adding some little dots using my dotting tool and the Perfect White Gel Polish. Boop. And then I'm going to put one at the bottom. Boop. And one at the top. Boop. There we go. And then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to fill the hearts in with the green from the other nail. I'm going to leave a slightly, what do you call it? I'm going to leave a slight gap at the edge so you can still see the white on the outside. So it looks like it's got a white border. There we go. And then I've cured that into the lamp. And then this nail, I'm going to glitter it. Glitter it? No, we're going to burnish. This glitter is called Diamond Dust from Nail Sugar. You can save 10% off any Nail Sugar glitters and bits and bobs using code NatMug10. I don't know why I used my finger. If you're doing this on a client, use a brush or something. It just looks more professional than me doing it with my finger. Excuse my nails as well, by the way. Oh my god, they need doing seriously badly. Okay, brush off any excess. This is a soft brush. Nice soft brush. I think it was from AliExpress actually. Cheapest chips, but it's lovely. I love it. It's one of my faves. And then I'm going to go over with some base coat just to smooth the nail off, because I want to paint on a heart with this. So I want the nail to be smooth. You could do, like when I paint on the nails, I like the nails to be I like them to have like a matte surface. So if I'd have thought about it, I probably would have gone over with my Velvet Matte, but actually it wasn't the end of the world using a base coat. The product does run ever so slightly using on the cured base coat because it's smooth. Am I making sense? I think I am. So just be aware. But I mean, it didn't affect. If I was doing something a little bit more delicate, I probably would have gone over with a Velvet Matte, but because I'm just doing a heart, it's not the end of the world. So as you can see, the heart is slightly, actually it's quite a lot, what's it called, like to the side. It's lopsided, it's not straight up. I just wanted to make it looked like it was a bit wonky. I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure now. And then in the center of the heart, I'm doing a bigger rose. So I'm using that Baby Nest gel polish with my dotting tool. And then I'll clean that off and I will dip my dotting tool into the white. And then we will just do a swooshy swoosh thing. A little swirl. There we go. There we are. I'm going to keep it like that. That's going to go in for a cure. And then we're going to add the little, what do you call it? The little, oh my goodness. We're going to pop the leaves on. I kind of thought, shall I just leave those 2? Because it kind of looked like it was flying. And then I just went completely mad and added like 2 more. I was like, where shall I put it? And I thought, I'll just stick it down the bottom. There we go. That'll do. Nearly. There we are. That'll do. I think. Do I add another one? Oh my god, I do. There we go. Right, that's going to be enough. In the lamp for 30 seconds. And then this last nail, I was like, right, I'm going to do kind of like on the bottom half, we're going to do the green. And then on the top half, we're going to do the red. And I did decide to add some crystals to these nails. I wasn't going to put crystals on initially, but I haven't used crystals for a little while. So actually, I'm using crystals in 3 sets this week. Yeah, the next 3 sets that I'm uploading, I've got crystals in. So yeah, right, I've done 2 coats of each colour. And then across the centre there, I'm going to put the spider gel. Now, the spider gel is from NeoNail, and you can get 5% off using code NAT5 from neonailuk.com. Or you could probably use the white gel polish, actually, Madam Glam white gel polish. I just wanted to use this because I was thinking, am I going to get it straight? Anyway, it kind of, I probably, if I was to do it again, because there was a bit of a dip, I don't know, I probably would just use gel polish, actually. Yeah, I don't know, just thinking out loud here. Right, so the bottom half of the nail is going to be those little roses. I love doing these. And obviously you can do them, you can do like different colours. Like you could do lilac-y ones, and you could call them like carnations. You know, they don't have to be roses. In fact, I'm not even going to call them roses. They're going to be floral. It's going to be a floral set. So you can decide what flower they are. Let me know in the comments below which flower you would call these. Would you call them a rose, or would you call them a carnation, or would you call them something completely different? I wouldn't call them a marigold or a what's that one? What's that? That's my favourite. I can't think of its name. Looks like a massive like a big daisy. Can't think what it's called now. Marigolds look a bit like that, but it's not a marigold. Anyway, shut up, Nats. Right. See, look, now we're going to add the little dots on. So literally a little bit of perfect white on the end of your dotting tool, and you kind of just want to make them equally spaced throughout the nail, throughout the flowers. I think I didn't want to, I mean, you could put double the amount of spots on or dots. I didn't want too many dots. I was kind of putting them between the flowers. You see what I mean? I think I put one more at the bottom. Yeah, and I was like, yeah, that'll do, pig. And then I decided to outline the heart with the pink gel polish, the Baby Nest gel polish, because I just thought it needed a border. So we went with the pink. There we go. That was quite easy. I thought I was going to fluff that up, but actually it turned out all right. I was quite happy with that. Now I'm going to velvet matte top coat these. I think I'm into matte top coats again. This is Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat. Even the iridescent glitter looks nice matte top coated, I have to say. Plus also I'm adding crystals, and when I add crystals, normally matte top coat takes preference for me, because the gem glue adheres better to the matte top coat as opposed to the shiny one. There we go. The velvet matte top coat from Madam Glam cures in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. In fact, all their gel polish does 30-second cure, which I like. I don't mind a minute cure, but I love 30-second cures because it's just so quick. I had there was a little bit in that of something. I had to get it off, and it was being stubborn. Anyway, once you're done, pop those in the lamp. Okay, now they look like this. They look kind of cool, I think. Kind of cool. Right, so onto the crystals. You can leave them like that if you don't like crystals. If I were to leave them like that, I'd probably make them shiny. But yeah. Right, I've got here a Preciosa heart and a Swarovski flame. They're both AB, Aurora Borealis. They're both absolutely stunning. And then I've got some Preciosa AB round flat backs in different sizes. I absolutely love these. These should be a staple in your crystal collection. I'm also using the Crystal Totalist Gem Glue from Nalchemy. So on this one, I thought I would do a bit of like a hanging heart coming from this other heart that was slightly wonky. If the heart was straight, I would have had it coming from the bottom, but this one's going to come from the side of the other heart. I didn't know if it looked a bit funny initially. I was like, but anyway, I added it in. I don't care anymore. It's there now. It's tough titties. I'm going to put some gem glue going up towards the heart. I was trying not to add too much because the crystals that I'm going to use, I think, are the SS3s, which are tiny. They're almost the same size as little... oh, I've got one bigger one in there. That's probably an SS5. They're pretty much... The SS3s are not a lot bigger than some caviar beads that you get. So I'm going to leave that one like that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. The gem glue takes 60 seconds to cure. And then on this nail, I'm going to do like a pendant, sort of a hanging pendant. So I'm going to use that Swarovski flame. That's going to go at the bottom of the pink. And then I'm going to put some of the tiny SS3s. Oh, I thought I cured that, but I obviously didn't. If you are not that confident, I would stick the flame in place and then cure it and then do the little tiny stones. There we go. I want those all nice and neat and straight. I do faff, and then I faff too much, and then I put them in the lamp and I think they're not even straight anyway, women. So there we go, pop those in for 60 seconds. Then I also decided just to stick a couple of tiny stones in between the little dots. So we're going to put some of those AB Preciosas. These are the very small ones again. I love these, they're brilliant. The tiny ones are, they're so handy. And that's the finished set. Oh, the crystals are from Crystal Parade, by the way. And if you want to get 5% off, you can use code NAT5. I've got discount codes for everything. Some discount codes I do earn a little bit of commission and some I don't. So I don't know if that matters any, but there we go. I would appreciate it if you did use my codes. That would be amazing. Thank you all very much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. Oh, they get good now. Well, this actually, I really like all the videos this week. Yeah, anyway, love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.